How safe is a 60-minute signed URL? This is security and authentication, and most people end up guarding the wrong line.
Assume your app keeps users' private files in a bucket. The bucket is private. It says no to everybody. Your page needs to show one file, so your server hands the browser a link. The browser fetches the file straight from the bucket. Your server never touches the bytes.
Then the browser refuses to show it, blocked by CORS. You search, you paste a CORS rule onto the bucket, and the error goes away. Then you get worried. Did you just make every invoice public?
The answer is no. CORS is a rule that lives inside the browser. It only decides which page may read a response. It never decides who may fetch a file. The real wall is the link itself. It guards medical scans, bank statements, paid video.
So look at that link again. Somebody copies it into a chat. It lands in a log file. It sits in browser history on a shared computer. Now a stranger asks the bucket for the file. The bucket says yes.
Your setting said 3,600 seconds, 1 hour. If it leaks after 3 minutes, it still works for 57 more. So here is the mechanism. The link is the credential. The permission is not stored anywhere. It sits inside the string. That is called a bearer token. Bearer means the holder. Whoever holds it gets in. No login, no session, and no cancel button. The only dial you get is the expiry. So the fix is not a better signature. Check who is asking. Check they own this file. Then sign and sign short.
The full video runs the real curl proof, 200 OK from every origin. It walks the pre-signed call line by line. It shows what the signature covers and what it never covers. It recomputes the store's check by hand, and it shows why there is no revocation.
14 minutes with the real code. Then go and find that number in your own project today. Link in bio.